Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to use the Activity Builder feature of Smartboard Notebook. And you can see I have my numbers up here and I have my even and odd box. And the idea is that I'm going to drag my even numbers on top of this box and have them disappear if it's correct and have them bounce back if they are not correct. And so I'm going to come over here and click on my puzzle piece and click on Activity Builder. And I'm going to choose my even box and press Edit. And then I want to either drag these over or I can add all remaining, and then any objects that I want to have accepted into even I keep there. I don't want this, so I can trash it. I don't want any of my odd numbers, so I can trash them. Alright, and then if I come down here to this bottom box, I'm going to reject these items, so I'm going to add all the remaining and press done. Now I'm going to come over here and do the same thing with my odd box. I'm going to click on it, I'm going to press edit, and I'm going to add the remaining, and I don't want this even, so I'm going to get this. And now with the odd, I'm going to accept all of these, so I'm going to get rid of all of the even numbers. And I come down here, these are the items that I'm going to reject, so I'm going to reject all the remaining, and I'm going to press done. Now when I come up here, my even, if I take my 10 there, it will disappear, but if I grab a 9, it bounces it back. Same thing on this side. If I put an 8 on my odd box, it bounces it back. If I grab a 3, it disappears. If you want to reset for another student, just come over here to reset all, and it bounces the numbers back, and I can go again. I'm going to come and click on my page. This also works for shapes, and then I'm going to show you how to use it with words on top of a picture. Right, if I have a picture here, and I want this to be my hotspot for North America, I need to take a picture of that. So I'm going to click on my camera and choose the freehand capture, and I'm going to take a picture of North America. And it's going to take a picture in another. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to copy that and paste it. And I'm going to shrink it down to where it's roughly the same size as the other one, to where you can't see it. And then I'm going to have that become my Activity Builder hotspot. So I'm going to click on my puzzle piece, edit, and I want only North America to be in here. So you can try grabbing North America and dragging it over here and letting it go. If that does not work, you can just press add all remaining, and then you can only keep North America in there. It depends on the computer. Some computers let you drag in there, and some don't. This one happens to not. So I'm going to accept North America, and I'm down the box. I'm going to reject all of the other ones and press done. Now when I grab North America, it accepts it. If I grab South America, it bounces it right back. Alright, the last thing I want to show you is how you can change the action when you bring your words down. So I'm going to click on this piece, I'm going to press edit, and I'm going to get rid of everything except what I want. And I just want Jack and Jill ran up the hill. And then I'm going to reject everything else. Alright. And then on my settings, when it's accepted, instead of fading out, I want to be able to see it. So I'm going to press snap to center and then press done. And now, if I do he broke his crown, that pops back. But if I do the correct one, Jack and Jill ran up the hill, it's going to snap to the center. And you'll be able to see all of them as you create them.